Einstein allegedly called compound interest eighth wonder of world. Whether he actually said, this doesn't matter. Principle is true, profound, life-changing for those who grasp it. Compound interest is interest on interest, not just original principle, but accumulated interest. This creates exponential growth, not linear. This is crucial. Distinction, $10,000 at 8%. Simple interest adds $800 yearly. After 30 years, $34,000. Total, $10,000. Original, $24,000. Interest, this is linear. This is weak. Same $10,000. 8%. Compound interest, first year, $800. Gained, second year, $800. On original, plus $64. On first year's interest. Third year, more. Fourth year, more. Accelerating. After 30 years, $107,000 total. Not $34,000. $10,000 original. $97,000 interest. This is exponential. This is powerful. This is wealth building. Through compounding, the time variable matters more than amount. Start early, even small. Beats start late, even large. 25-year-old investing $200 monthly beats 45-year-old investing $1,000 monthly, if both. Retire at 65. Math shows this clearly. 25-year-old, 40 years to compound at 10%. Returns $700,000 approximately. 45-year-old, 20 years to compound. Returns $750,000 approximately. Despite investing 5 times more monthly. The J-curve describes this. Early years, progress slow, looks linear, then suddenly exponential, hockey stick, growth. Most people quit. Before this, inflection point. This is tragedy. This is mistake. First 10 years, investing, little visible progress. Contributions matter more than returns. Second 10 years, progress accelerates. Returns start mattering. Third 10 years, exponential. Returns dominate. Contributions. This is power. This is patience. Rewarded. 40 years old? Feel behind? Don't quit. 25 years. Remaining is enough for enormous compounding. Not ideal. Starting point, but sufficient. If consistent, if disciplined, if patient. Negative compounding works too. Losses compound, just like gains. Debt compounds against you. Credit cards at 20%. Interest, this is negative. Eighth wonder, destroys wealth, just as positive compounding builds it. Payoff, high interest, debt before investing, guaranteed 20%. Return, eliminating that. Debt, better than 10%. Return, investing. In market, math is clear. Priority is obvious. The rule of 72. Quick calculation for doubling. 72 divided by interest rate equals years. To double, 8%. Return equals 9 years. 10% equals 7.2 years. This helps. Visualize. Long-term impact, 10,000. At 10%, 20,000 in 7 years, 40,000 in 14, 80,000 in 21, 160 in 28, 320 in 35. Exponential growth, but requires patience, discipline, consistency. Most people lack this, want results now, not willing to wait decades. This is why most fail at wealth building. Impatience kills compounding. Reinvesting dividends, critical for compounding. Taking cash destroys this. Leaving invested, buying more shares. These shares pay dividends, buy more shares. Cycle continues, accelerates, compounds. Historically, dividends represent 40% or more of total. Stock returns not reinvesting, loses 40% of returns, approximately. This is huge. This is costly. Always reinvest. Tax-deferred accounts. Maximize compounding. No taxes on dividends, on gains. While growing, everything reinvests. Compounds faster, much faster, than taxable account, where taxes. Reduce annual returns significantly. Small differences compound enormously. 7% returns versus 10%. Seems small. 3%. Difference over 30 years. Massive difference. Hundreds of thousands. Difference, potentially. This is why. Fees matter. Index fund at 0.03% fee versus active fund at 1%. Seems trivial. 0.97% difference over career can mean $1 million or more. Lost to fees. Start today, even small, even tiny. $100 monthly, $50 monthly. Anything. Time is most valuable asset. For compounding, cannot buy. Time, cannot get. Time back, use it. Now, every month delayed is compounding. Opportunity, lost. Forever. 10 years, delayed can mean half the retirement wealth or worse. This is cost of waiting for perfect time that never comes. Compound interest requires no genius, requires no luck, requires no special connections, just time, just consistency, just patience. This is accessible to everyone. This is equalizer. This is hope. Use it.